Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will guide you on how to locate your saved card on your iPhone. Whether you are looking to manage your payment option or simply check your saved information, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, locate your settings app. Then scroll down and select Wallet and Apple Pay. In the Wallet and Apple Pay section, you will see a list of your saved card under the Payment Card heading. Tap on any card to view more details or manage its setting. Alternatively, you can open the Wallet app directly from your home screen. To see all your saved card, just tap on the Wallet app and your card will be displayed. Kindly note this, guys, to ensure your information remains secure, you may be asked to authenticate using your Face ID, your Touch ID or your passcode. Thank you so much for watching. With this guide, you are able to find and manage your saved card on your iPhone, keeping your payment information organized and accessible. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in our next video. Bye bye.